I have this AnyCubic printer and I needed to replace the cable going to the hot end, but how do I get the cable out? I didn't know how to open the drag chain, and I couldn't find anything on YouTube on how to actually open this thing up. And so I finally figured it out, and I'm going to show you how this works. You just stick the jeweler screwdriver into this notch right here and pry up. Once you know that trick, it's easy. Then when you get the cable back in there, just press it down, snaps right in. Once you know the trick, piece of cake.